Stop. Hi there, little lime tree. How are you doing? What's wrong with you? You need something? But what do you need though? Hold on. I know what you might need. Do you need some water? I'll get you some water if that's what you need. No, that's not what you need? Then what do you need? Oh, you need more than water, it seems. Alright, so I think I know what you need. Alright, so I'm gonna get you what you need in a couple minutes, okay? I'll be back. You cute little lime tree, you. Everybody, welcome to my channel again. It's original Kountry Boi, and what will I be doing today? So, peeps, me just saw a little reasoning with my lime tree a while ago, and it tell me say, it needs something. I asked if it need water, it said no, it needs something more than water. So I thought to myself, what could my lime tree possibly need? Then it hit me. What's more than water right now to a plant is a change of soil. So, peeps, I'll be giving my lime tree a change of soil, and the perks about this video is I'll be showing you how to make the best organic soil for your plant out there, okay? So peeps, if you want to know how to make the best organic mixture of soil, you have to stay tuned and watch Kountry Boi, and I'll see you on the flip. Adios.
Hey, Mr. Kountry Boi.
Yeah?
You never say did I go jump into it right after this, eh?
Yeah, me know, but man, that kid, look too nice. We'll have to eat peace.
What a boy love him belly, man.
But definitely, after me eat a little piece of cane, may I get into it. The man peeps, alright, me know say even though me say me did have finish one little piece of cane, yeah? Me did have to finish a portion, because man, what a cane sweet, man. Alright peeps, may I get into the perks of what this video is about, alright? Yes, not me dash for this time, I'm gonna use a container by the way, yeah? It's really good at over this. Alright, so as usual peeps, you know that when you're doing things with Kountry Boi, you need tools. So, one of the first things I'm going to need, because I'm going to get some dirt, my picker. Yeah. And the next thing that I need is my putty knife, because I'll be mixing it, right? Yeah. So, if I'm going to make it an organic mixture, what else could I possibly need? Peeps, I'll leave you to think. You got 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Did you get it? Poop! Not just any poop, goat poop. Yeah, one of the best mixture of soil either consists of goat poop, cow poop, rat bat poop, horse poop, and today I'll be focusing on the mixture with goat poop. So peeps, let me show you my little compost area that has all the goat poop in the world. So yes peeps, I don't take it offensive if somebody say, Kountry Boi, you're full of ishy man. Yeah, me say yeah man, I know, because I'm a good farmer. Yeah. So it's a compliment to me, and I use my ish for a lot of different reasons and things, okay? So yeah, this is my compost piece right beside my jelly tree. So I'll be taking also some of this. But peeps, let me go get my dirt first. Yeah man peeps, so one of my favorite type of soil for use as usual, otherwise some burnt dirt, is black topsoil. Yeah, so I have some of that right, that's the right now peep. So I only need a little, so I have my pickaxe right here. So I gotta dig it. You dig? Yeah. By the way, peeps, remember to get a little bit of leaf in your dirt. Cause just when the leaf break down, it will act as like a fertilization as well to the soil. You see, pack it up with nice nutrients. You call it mulch. Yeah, for your soil. Nice. So I think this should do. Okay, because I'll be making a mixture, so this should do. Alright peeps, I know that I have my soil. Let's go get that ish. It's that ish time. So to every 2.5 shovel of dirt you put like about the same amount of poop. So peeps, have the mixture. No, it would be a mixture if it's not mixed up. So peeps, let's get into the mixing, and then we get to give my nice little live tree a change of soil. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my potty knife and we're gonna mix it. See you over there, peeps. Alright peeps, I'm done mix my dirt. Look how me mix dirt with poo. Look man, rich and nice and like a millionaire. She's sauce, a dirty millionaire. Dirty money. Oi, look at my dirt man, say yeah peeps. Like how me done my mixer right now and it looks so pretty. Let's go say hi back to my little nice little cutie lime tree, okay? Hi my little cute tree. I told you I would be back, right? Guess what? I have something for you. I have some nice mixed rich topsoil, organic soil, whatever I titled this dirt for you. So let me give it to you, okay? Alright. Whenever you're transplanting, remember to keep a little dirt around the root, you know. Yeah, so it doesn't like die or like kind of wither as much before it actually start to grab some nutrients from the side to get back more lively. Yeah. So let me give my little baby the new soil that she need alongside with water, cause the dirt and it well tough. Alright peeps, so now that I do this, she get refreshed and everything. You see how it look nice and she look better. Give her a little water after this one the flip, you know. And then she good to go. Yeah, so she feel lively now, and in about a week or 2 weeks time she good for transplant again, because she catch back her life, you know, she can actually get put in her ground, you see me? So peeps, remember, this is the best organic soil you could ever make, okay? Yeah. Alright, everybody, if you enjoyed my video, please remember to like, share and comment and let me know. Yeah, show the love, my people. And we have come to the end of this video today. But peeps, guess what? You will see Kountry Boi again. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you learned a lot. Yeah, look how she looks pretty now. Looking so pretty. Kinda sour kiss that my lime tree I give her. Anyways, peeps, later here. Thank you for watching.